be a one piece of advice you'd like to give to other business owners? I know you've sold several businesses.
Yeah, I'd say it's always hard to pick like that one piece of advice. And Liz, I know I put you on the spot on my show. I was like, Liz, what's that one
I got
piece
to
of
get you
advice?
back, right?
And you absolutely nailed it. I would say for me, the thing that I think about most frequently is as entrepreneurs, we need to think like builders. And it kind of goes in line with what you and I have already talked about here today, which is results don't happen right away. And when you drive past a building project, how often are you driving down the road and you think, wow, that building popped up out of nowhere? But the truth is, for many months, you drove past that same building site and you thought, gosh, are they doing anything with that site? But there's so much that goes into it. You have to build the foundation, you have to bring in the contractors. You, as a builder, you're not going to be incredible at glass and electricity and all of the plumbing and all of the things that go into a building. And so you have to think like a builder. And that's why so frequently building projects, they go over budget and over timeline. And that's mostly the case for all of us in our businesses. But I think that it's a healthy mindset for all of us to think like that builder and say, this is going to take time. And what may look like it's not making any progress for a long time as I build the foundation, one day it's just going to start sprouting up in